get face, so what? I'm a numb nigga, chop on me with a drum nigga, run up on me, you a dumb nigga, shoot shit up, Molly in my...
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chill, and I'm back with another video, man. And in today's video, as y'all can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, we got another pair of sneakers to add to the collection today, man. We got some heat. In today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing / an on-foot review to the new Jordan 3 Women's Neapolitan, aka Dark Mocha. And yes, y'all heard me correctly. These are a women's shoe, but I don't care. They were fire. I had to try to get them, and I definitely hit on sneakers, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing these sneakers. If you're a person out there who's saying a guy can't wear a woman's shoe just because it has the word a woman in front of it, then you can go do something. Go outside, look for these little pebbles. I think they're called rocks, and kick them, because these shoes are fire. I will be wearing these a lot. So with saying that, make sure to leave a like on this video, comment some more videos you want to see down below, and most importantly, subscribe and ring the notification bell, because we're really close to 3K, and I have a bunch of fire videos to bring y'all this summer that I do not want y'all to miss. So with saying that, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They'll be down there in the corner. Let's get right into the video. All right, y'all, so this is the box right here, man. It's just a plain women's box. A lot of the women's Jordans and kids Jordans come in the same type of boxes, either a black or a white box with the gold logo right here. Nothing too crazy. These did retail for $200, and I got them for $213 and like 70 cents exactly. So yeah, not too much to say about them, but let's open them up. And as you can see, comes with the original gold and white wrapping with the 23s on them. So yeah, let's open this up. The moment of truth. Yes, sir. These are super fire. Okay, so this is what we got today, man. These are beautiful. I cannot wait to get some fits to wear with this. As you can see, it comes with a little tag that the Jordan 3s come with, the little pink tag. You can see why they're called Neapolitan. If you're a little kid watching this video and y'all don't know what Neapolitan is, Neapolitan ice cream your mom buys, vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. That's what they look like. You got the like brownish mocha color, cement print going around, elephant print with the little stars on the bottom, and it has a little hint of red. I don't understand why they put the red right here. I don't know why they didn't make this just pink, but it's cool, I guess. Looks pretty crispy. UPS and Nike did a really good job of keeping the box good and the shoes not bent up. Comes with the shoe trees, the laces. I wish it would have came with other laces. I know like ones come with other laces. It would have been really fire if these came with pink laces or cream laces, but I probably would go get some pink laces to put in these. But yeah, this is how they looking. These are a women's 11, so they should be a men's 9.5. So this is how they looking. They feel really good. The leather feels really good. They're not creased up. So yeah, this is what they looking like. Not too much to like say about them. They're a beautiful shoe, and yeah, y'all see how they look. So now I'm gonna just show y'all a quick little on foot fashion show / review, whatever. I'm not gonna really talk. I'm gonna just show them on my feet, and yeah, I'll get back to y'all after that. So let me show y'all how they look at my feet right now. All right, y'all, so that's how they look on my feet, man. They feel great, they fit very great, they're very comfortable, man. 3s are actually really comfortable sneaker. I didn't know. In my opinion, 3s are very comfortable. A lot of people be talking about how certain Jordans aren't comfortable. I feel like, I don't know if I'm the only one, but a lot of my J's feel comfortable. 5s are very comfortable to me. 12s, my 12s are, they're decently. Those aren't the most comfortable, but 5s are really comfortable. A lot of my shoes I wear are comfortable, so I'm glad that these are another pair that I can say I can just throw on if I'm going out somewhere nice, because they're pretty comfortable. So yeah, with saying that, man, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope I can do a lot more of these shoe reviews in the future. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a big baller yet, so I can't be buying shoes every week, but when I do get the money and time to buy sneakers that I like, I would definitely do reviews on them. But with saying that, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all leave a like on it, comment some more videos down below, and be on the lookout for like 3 outfits with 1 sneaker video coming soon, because I would definitely be creating 3 outfits using this sneaker. You know what I'm saying? I got a summer lookbook on the way. I'm getting some clothes in the next, I would say, month and a half, a month or 2. So be on the lookout for that. I got a trip coming up soon in July, so it's some heat coming for y'all all summer. So just be on the lookout for that. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell. Like I said, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That'll be down here in the corner. I know this was a short video, but I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm gone.